Hi everybody, this is our last daily video and agenda for the week of December 13th to December 17th. Not much to do this week, we just really had some fun and some reflection. On Tuesday we did some team builders. I had you guys work in stations and you guys did things such as apples to apples, Uno, card games, homework clubs, just fun little areas and stations together just to work as a team really and have you guys be able to work on those communication skills and team building skills. Wednesday, Academic Genius Minutes, if you needed anything to work on. It was really Stations Part 2 for most of us, but if you needed anything, the homework club was there for you. On Friday, we watched a movie, just a media film, and I hope that you guys were able to take a little bit perspective moving forward. I just wanted to let you guys know that it has been a pleasure to have you this semester. For any of my students that are listening, I'm so proud of you all, my Avid students. I know it was a rough semester for all of us, but you made it through, you pushed like an Avid scholar should, and I'm so proud of you all. I hope to be able to see you guys around, but as always, if you ever need me, please feel free to call, not call, send me an email, reach out, and I'll see you guys when I do. All right, bye.